1085 Country Skies. So we do have grass right here. It's a smaller area though. Front door looks like it was touched up recently. Blinds should be replaced with 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. To me, this doesn't look like the most high-end laminate, but I would think it would last a tenant turn or two, possibly. So we're at 4 windows so far. These are nice, really high ceilings, tall doors. Oh, probably get some rollers, some new rollers on that. So a lot of concrete, a little bit of greenery, so it's pretty, but very low maintenance, as you can see. It's about noonish right now, so we'll see what Jenny says about these solar screens. Usually she says to remove them, but the sun is pretty intense right here. It's more of a private backyard than you normally see as well, because you have these green things providing privacy, and then we have 1-stories on either side. So that's nice to have here in Vegas. A pet door. This feels like a good amount of counter space, probably because of the depth here. 5 windows. This area shouldn't matter too much because obviously there would be a washer or dryer there. A couple places to hang clothes, lots of extra paint. They probably just recently painted the house. We have a fan and a light in here. Epoxied floors. It's nice. So window 6. Full-size pantry. Upgraded light fixture. Glazed panel doors. Nice touch. Carpet looks fine. Looks pretty new, actually. I think Jenny will like this loft area. So we're at window 6. Paint and carpet look good. Window 7. This room looks fresh and clean. Raised panel closet doors. Nice. Window 8. This room is fresh and straightforward as well. Tile. The grout's dirty, but that may not matter too much. So this light switch isn't working. But the countertop looks good. Cabinets look good, from what I can tell. Tile appears to be installed correctly. I don't see cracks or hear creaks. This is all 1 unit, so window 8, we don't need grout, so it's less maintenance. That's a good thing. 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, I think it was 9. 10, 11, 12. I believe we're at 12 now. This room is pretty straightforward and clean. 13. No grout necessary here either. Large closet. Cabinets seem good. And let's take a look at the shower. Looks like a newer shower head.